Let's drive. I don't see anything.
Hello everyone, it's time to start a new journey. Recently I bought the car for my friend, and it will be the Volvo XC70. So let's start doing this repair. And by the way, I didn't show you the Finnish Volvo XC40, so maybe I will start this movie to showing you this car, how it looked after the repair. So as you see, everything is fine. The gaps are pretty cool. The color match is nice too. Look how interior looks. So I want to invite you for a new journey with the Volvo XC70. So as you can see, the car is in my shop. Look like this. I started to charging the battery because the battery is dead. Hope it will charge, because sometimes the battery after the accident can be destroyed, can be broken. But we will see. If the car will not start, I will jump start it. So the major damage is here. I think the body shop guy should do it very quickly, because it is not bad. Car is almost in perfect condition. Don't count this. This doesn't count. Airbag was deployed, of course, but this is not a problem. The interior is very clean. There is a lot of space here, you know. Beautiful car for the money. You see the electric gate, and look how much space is in here. Beautiful car. So now I will try to start it, and I will drive to my garage. I will use jump starter because I am not 100% sure of this battery. I will jump start it, and there is some load in this battery because okay, and we will try to launch it. Okay, come on baby.
okay, the car is moving, guys. The car is moving. Let's drive. I don't see anything. Oh shit. Oh shit, I don't see anything. Oh, it will be blind driving. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm in. Parking. Oh shoot. Okay, I don't know. Is there water in the engine? It's working fine. Okay, hood down. Oh shoot. Come on. Hurry up. Okay. Let's go, baby. Hope I will drive there. Freaking awesome. The AC is working. Oh wow. The AC is working. Oh fuck. Okay, I think I'm in. Woohoo! Made it. The AC is working. Oh man. So the radiator should be the water radiator should be fine. Okay, I'm in, so I will leave it on neutral. Something with turbo is. Not everything. Strange. The AC is working. Okay. Off. Okay. Now I will connect the battery charger again, and I will leave it overnight. Oh, maybe I will drive a bit further because I need to drive. Maybe I will drive a little bit further because I need to drive Volvo here